that we had a little issue. Transfer views.
Nose up, high angle attack.
Whoa. Guess we're at Florida. My boy. It's Wednesday, my dude. It is Wednesday, my dude. Bonus girls. Hey, do you see the girls? You see the two girls right there, teenagers? I may have accidentally got them in my video.
You have white on your face. I know you didn't put sunscreen.
Well, you didn't want sand on this.
Yeah.
Oh, sunscreen.
It could be sand from.
That's that.
Ladies and gentlemen, also aircraft to go around.
They're coming over here.
Over here. I'll take that.
Directly over us in that Delta
Right back over top of this bush here.
Here they go. There's the sign.
All right, cameras ready, ladies and gentlemen. They call this the maneuvering Delta formation. Here they go.
Coming close too. You're loud.